As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two grills, the Weber Q1200 and the Char-Broil Performance Series. What are your thoughts?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. The Weber Q1200 is really portable, right?
Yeah, it's only 30 pounds. And the Char-Broil is a hefty 85 pounds. Big difference there if you're tailgating or something.
Definitely. But the Char-Broil has way more cooking space, 600 square inches compared to Weber's 189.
True. The Weber is more for a small family, it sounds like. What about burners?
The Char-Broil has 3 burners and a side burner, boasting 34,000 BTUs. The Weber only has 1 burner, 8,500 BTUs.
So, the Char-Broil probably heats up faster and can handle more food at once, right?
Exactly. Plus, the Char-Broil uses TRU infrared cooking, which they say prevents flare-ups and cooks juicier food.
Interesting. The Weber just has standard porcelain enameled cast iron grates.
Yeah, different cooking styles. The Char-Broil's grates are porcelain-coated steel.
What about ignition? Are they both easy to start?
Both have electronic ignition, so you should be good there.
Good. What about price?
The Weber is listed at $259. While the Char-Broil is a bit more expensive at $311.83, though it's currently discounted from $358.
Okay, so a bit of a price jump for the extra features of the Char-Broil.
Yeah, you're paying for the larger cooking area, more burners, and the infrared tech.
I see. So it really depends on what I'm planning to use it for. If I need portability, the Weber wins. If I'm cooking for a crowd, the Char-Broil seems better.
Precisely. And consider if you want that side burner for sauces and sides.
Good point. Thanks for the breakdown. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.